each morning when I wake up, before I turn on any lights or look at any screens, I have a little ritual that I do where I go outside to greet the day and be in the natural light. I usually water my garden and say my prayers. So it's very grounding for me. It's very grounding. It's very, connecting with Mother Earth, connecting with the sun helps me to feel connected and held. Thank you, Sun Father, for your supportive solar energy, warmth, and light. Please replenish me and warm me with your energy and guide me by your light. I give thanks, I give thanks, I give thanks. And thank you, Mother Earth, for your earthly support, protection, and guidance. I rest all my weight with you now that you may hold me in your higher power. Guide me with your greater wisdom, that my life may be used to serve my divine pleasure and purpose. I give thanks, I give